Right now in India, there are roughly vaccine discovery activities happening at almost 2 dozen places, and two of our vaccine candidates have already entered into the clinical human trial stages. We hope and pray and wish that in the next couple of months we should get success on this front. Scientists are already working on discovery of new drugs, repurposing of new drugs. We have been able to produce most of these things which we were earlier importing, whether it was the PPEs or the N95 masks or the ventilators or the drugs. We have now come in a position where we can export many of them. That today our recovery rate is also probably the highest in the whole world. It ranges between 63 and 64%, and our fatality rate is also probably the lowest in the whole world, which is about 2.55, and still we are intending to bring it down to less than 1%. This all has been possible because of the joint effort of all our health professionals, all the departments of the government, where it was a total government approach and it was a continuous blessings and the vision and the monitoring of our dear Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. India currently fighting to revive country's economy. You will all be happy to know that a developing nation like India is seeing a quick economic upturn. Like for the rest of the world, the pandemic caused a shock for the Indian economy as well. The four legs on which the Indian economy had been growing have all been impacted adversely. Number one, consumption, because of the demand shock caused by lockdown and social distancing. Number two, manufacturing, hit by large-scale supply chain disruptions. Number three, exports, which are on a pause mode as global consumers also pause. And lastly, the capital flows hit as the pandemic causes risk aversion and emerging markets have felt the impact of capital outflows or slowdowns in capital inflows. With all this happening and much more, which you are all very, very conversant with, projections by international agencies were that we would be at 1/5 the projected growth figures. It was then that our government, led by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, started working on the plan to reboot and restart the economy in as smooth a manner as possible and as quickly as possible without diluting the healthcare and pandemic surveillance and management. Today our most important focus is on developing incentives for foreign investors. Through various policy changes, the government has managed to raise investor sentiment as well as attract the attention of foreign firms. For instance, India recently announced it is developing a land pool nearby which is double the size of Luxembourg. Acquiring land for manufacturing has been a major hold-up for foreign firms since multiple stakeholders are involved. Along with the promised land pool, certain states in India such as Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana and Rajasthan have introduced labor reforms, providing incentives to new companies that set up their operations in their respective states.